We got another set of elevators. Oh, look at that. That's funny. Whoa, look at that. There are two buttons that have down buttons. Is this basically the same place? Oh, but there's another view. There's a partially good view of the city right there. I believe that's the State Museum. Yes, it is. Good view of the city, at least. And it left. Oh well. I think it's this one. Blue LED. That is a cool button. Odd placement though. Similar to the other elevators, except it's just got a different wood finish. This hotel is also connected to that Courtyard Marriott as well. Once again, that key card reader isn't working. Once again, 3,500 pound capacity, Signa4 buttons, and here we are at 1. Floor 1.